Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn an iPhone video into a slow motion. So if you want to turn an iPhone video you've made using your iPhone camera into a slow motion video, then here's how you can do that. So first of all, this is the clip I want to actually put into slow motion. We can currently see it's not in slow motion at all. Now in order to do this, what we're going to do is we are going to use an external app we can download from the App Store called CapCut. Using CapCut, we are going to turn that video we just saw into a slow motion. To do that, what you need to do is open CapCut, click on New Project, just like this, select the clip you want to turn into a slow motion, and then click on Add. Once you've done that, you can view your clip right here. The first thing I would recommend doing is removing the end, because we don't need that. And once you've done that, what you can do is click on the clip, and then just go right here into speed. Once you're here at speed, what you need to do is click on normal right here. And then you can right here speed it up to either up to 100x, however we want to slow-mo it. So in order to do that, just scroll all the way to the left, and then right here it will basically say how many times it will slow-mo. So right now it will go basically 50% slower, now it will 40, now 30, now 20, and now it will go only 10% of what it originally was. So you can choose whatever you like, so I'm going to use 50, just like this. And when I now play the video, you will notice that it's going to be a lot slower, as you guys can see, and it's basically a slow motion, and you can do this basically till it's only 10% slow, and it's going to be absolutely really slow, as you guys can see. And yeah, that's basically what you need to do. Alright, so now that your clip is in slow motion, what you can do is actually convert it into a video so you can view it in your camera gallery. In order to do that, head over to the top right corner of your screen, right here at that download button. And now it's going to export over to our camera gallery, and we will be able to view this slow motion in comparison to our normal clip over in our camera gallery. So once you have done that, just head over to your photos, just like this. And then you can right now see that this was the original video, and this is the video we turned into slow motion. It's a lot longer, of course, because slow motion is just straight up longer. And yeah, that's basically what you need to do. So yeah, if you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. And I hope I will see you in the next YouTube tutorial video.